Hi everybody, my name is Aston. I am a homemaker and a mom of 4 boys, and today is my first video. I am bringing you along of how I start out making breakfast for my husband in the morning. So his favorite breakfast is pancakes, so I'm going to preheat the oven to 375 degrees. I'm going to use the pancake mix this time. Not really making it from scratch, but I'm going to just add a little cinnamon in there and some vanilla, and the cinnamon and vanilla helps bring the flavors out of the pancakes, make it really nice and flavorful. So I'm up pretty early, which I try to do to get up and get ahead of the game, because once my 4 boys is up, it can get pretty hectic during the day and trying to get breakfast together. So I try to get my husband together first of his meal. So with me getting up early, I'm able to do that. So I'm just mixing it and whisking it together. I'm going to lay down some foil on a baking sheet with a little bit of olive oil. No, I think it's avocado oil I'm using. And I got some sausages from Costco. I'm going to put down for him to go with his pancakes. So I'm going to put them in the oven. And by the time I get done making the pancakes, the sausages will be ready and nice and golden brown. Even though they're already cooked, I still like to cook it just a little bit more. I don't know about you, but I really love it when butter hits a hot pan and it makes that sizzle sound. I just love it. It's something about that. So I'm using a measuring cup. To me, it's easier to scoop it out and to get the perfect circle in my head. So I just use a measuring cup and pour it in there, and then use the back of it to flatten it to give it that perfect circle shape, because sometimes when you pour it in there, it doesn't give it that perfect look. So every time I make breakfast for my husband, I try to make it look as picture perfect as possible. So it's just more, appetizing, and to me it makes it taste better. So that's just something that I use. I don't know, do you guys use that too? How do you do your pancakes? Do you just pour it in there, or do you use a certain way, or do you have a certain method to do it? But that's just the way I do it. So I'm just flipping it over, cooking the other side. As you see, the sausages are done. So they don't take long. They're already cooked, but I just like to brown them a little bit more. I like my meat well done, and so does he. So now I'm boiling some water. Not paying attention. I made it a little bit boiled over, but I made some hot tea, and there you go. Breakfast is served for my husband with some nice buttery vanilla pancakes with some cinnamon, some chai, and orange juice, and there he goes. He's going to enjoy his day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I thank you so much for watching, and if you would like to see more as I will produce more, please subscribe and click the notification bell so you can stay in touch whenever I make videos. Bye for now.